Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Meta AI. Meta AI is Meta's attempt to be a one-stop shop for AI, functioning as chatbot, voice assistant, and even an image/video generator. Its unique strength is its integration across Meta's social platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. And it also has a standalone app where you can explore AI-generated content. Android/iOS search for Meta in Google Play Store or App Store. It also works directly with WhatsApp app and Instagram. So select Play Store, select app, and search Meta AI. 4.5 stars, 1 million reviews, 50 million plus downloads. Select install. Meta AI installed. Select open. Get started with Meta AI. Set up a device. Get started with Meta AI. To select a Facebook account or Instagram, log in or create a Meta account or use your mobile number or email to continue. So I'm going to select my Instagram account. Agree to terms and conditions. Select allow. Confirm your Meta AI details. Select confirm. So it's signing in. Notification. Allow notification is not compulsory, so I'm going to select do not allow. Then you can ask Meta question, so you can give the prompt. Animate my photo. Start voice chat. Learn and grow. Analyze for me. So you can type the information. You can also select plus. Then it give you option for you to add video, add a file, or allow photo access. For example, then you go back. Now I want us to search. We also show you instant. You can also use voice. Now I want us to search. Give us 4 side hustles to make money online. Then it's submit. So turn and go cancel notification. So it's generating the information. So these are informations generated. Let's go through it. Here are 4 online side hustles you can start with just a laptop and Wi-Fi. Number 1, freelance service on marketplaces. What it is: sell skills you already have: writing, graphic design, video editing, social media, coding, data entry, voiceover. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, people per hour. Start up time 1 to 2 days to set up a profile. Earning potential £10 to £100 per hour depending on skills. Best for if you want to monetize professional skills fast. Number 2, print on demand store. What is it? Upload designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. A supplier prints plus ships only when someone buys. No inventory. Platforms: Easy plus Printify, Redbubble, Amazon Merch on Demand. Startup time 1 afternoon to design plus list. Earning potential £2 to £10 profit per sale. Scales with volume. Best for creative types who don't want to handle shipping. The third option is affiliate content / UGC creation. What it is: make short videos / reviews or earn commission linking products. TikTok Shop, Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, all pay. Platforms: Amazon Associates, TikTok Shops, LTK, Impact.com. Startup time: same day. You can post with your phone. Earning potential: 50 quid to 2,000 pounds per month. Top UGC creators charges £100 plus per video. Best for if you are comfortable on camera and like testing products. Number 4, online tutoring or digital products. What is it? Teach English, maths, guitar, or sell Notion templates, Canva kits, ebooks, courses for a niche you know. Platforms: Preplay, Superproof, Gumroad, Etsy for digital downloads. Startup time: 1 week to package your first offer. Earning potential: £15 to £40 per hour. Tutoring: £5 to £200 per digital product sales. Best for turning knowledge into passive income. These are the side hustles. So you put it in a table with the side hustle, time to start, skill needed, and scaling potential. These are the side hustles he gave us. Then he asked further question: want me to match one to your skill? Tell me what you are good at, how many hours / week you have got, and I will narrow it down. So you can type further question. You can also use voice. Select, to ask you to record, or select on the microphone. Then you give permission. So go to the permission, allow microphone. So allow using this app. Then you go back. So microphone is allowed. So you can go back and ask question. So you can tap on the microphone. Hello, please give me 2 businesses I can do to start making money online. Then you submit. Please give me 2 businesses I can do to start making money online. Then it will show you these are the information. So you can use voice prompt as well. It will give you the answer. So you have instant and thinking, reason longer before answering. So you have instant and thinking. This is how to install Meta AI. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.